Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video interview at the Hux World, and today we got a couple of nice watch faces for you all to check out for the work week. Now, as of the taping of this video, these watch faces were free. They may or may not be still free, but go check it out, and if it is, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if it's still free so I can let the world know so they can enjoy these awesome free watch faces. All right, with that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's get started. Now, the name of this watch face is called Blooming Sakura Dark. I like the look of this one. It's an animated watch face. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, but you are not going to get the animation. Now, here's my thing about this watch face before we get started. I wish that it wasn't animated, or I wish that this watch face grew as your steps grew. That would have made more sense to me, but still, for a free watch face that's animated, it is not bad at all. Now, looking at it, you're going to get a nice big digital time that's going to be stacked. The font is different on this type of watch face as well. You are going to get your date information, the day of the week, and also your heart rate information as well. So I thought it was a good look for a free watch face. Not bad at all. And if I double tap on the screen, I can change the color theme of this watch face, which isn't bad at all. You have a few nice colors in all. I like this black. This black is nice. But that's it, you all. What do you think of this watch face? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts about this one. All right, you all, let's go ahead and check out watch face number two. Number two is nice. If you're going to be dressing up or dressing super casual over the work week, or if you're on vacation, this is a nice watch face to have in your lineup. Remember, it's free for the taking as of right now, so make sure you check in the Gear Manager store to see if it's still available for free. Now, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called RESC Noir. This guy, whoever this person is, they're getting down on some awesome watch faces. This one is nice. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the most part so far as the analog look is concerned. Now, once it's on, you got this nice black background. It's going to save on battery efficiency. That's nice. I like the look of the index as well. And you get some premium analog looking hands. You're going to get your date down at the bottom. You're going to get your seconds in that dial. You're going to get your battery percentage in this dial, and your step goal completed in that dial. So I like this traditional look so far as the analog watch face is concerned. But check this out. This is what's nice about this watch face. Double tap, and I can change the index, right? Depending on how you're feeling, what mood you're in so far as elegance is concerned. Double tap again, you can change it to a traditional look so far as the numbers are concerned. Tap again, now you get a red 12. Beautiful, very premium looking. I thought the developer definitely got down on this one, and I hope that he continues. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel so you can be updated on when I drop more videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out. And that's going to be it. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night, and I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.